Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pendleton, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance relocation is without a doubt one of the most challenging kinds of relocation. It would be ideal for getting everything perfect right from the start. Regrettably, most individuals have the most significant difficulties during the planning stage. Consider moving your sofa, television, piano, and other large pieces of furniture while also transporting delicate goods like kitchen utensils. To ensure it's safe, you need the finest vans and people. 3 Movers has a solid history of completing long distance moves with the least amount of damage to our customers' belongings. In addition, our services are both cost effective and reliable. We work with our clients' schedules to arrange a move that won't interfere with their other essential tasks. Our local distance movers at 3 Movers are among the finest. They have all the necessary licenses for long distance movements within and between states. Our drivers adhere to all state and federal regulations, and we're also covered by insurance if an accident happens on the route, resulting in damage to your belongings. Even though local moves are less hectic than long distance moves, doing everything yourself will add to the stress. 3 Movers has an established local and long distance moving approach that ensures a seamless transition. The cost of our services is one of the main reasons we're Pendleton's preferred local moving companies. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour, and we guarantee that we will spend every money you give us well. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pendleton Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.